Alright, so today our standard we've been talking about so far is data, and specifically student choosing data using appropriate graphs. Okay, so the right kind of graph. Now the one we got up here for the essential question, like we talked about before earlier this year, what do we call this kind of a plot? Stem and leaf plot. Now, could someone raise your hand and tell me what the stem and what the leaf each represent? Mr. Shaw.
Like when they separate the numbers?
They separate the numbers. So if you have like a 2-digit number, it splits it up? Okay. So you put one number here for the stem, and one number here for the leaf. So you'll just call out, what is this number right here?
24.
4, okay. What about this one? 12. So you combine the 1 and the 2, the 2 and the 4, okay? What about these ones with zeros? What would that be? 6, right? Just put the 0 in front of the 6, which would just be 6, okay? So what they're going to actually do in the CRCT is to take this kind of data right here and analyze it, okay? So how many, let's say these were students, okay, were less than 20, okay? So how many were less than 20? So where would the 20 be on this kind of plot?
Like 2 or 3.
About a 2, right? Yes. So which ones would be less than 20?
5. Everything.
Above, right? All these ones are the ones or zeros, okay? And what's a mode? Okay. And which one's the range? Leave some smaller number and you subtract. Okay. So I'll get it done, please, and place it in whatever engaged box you feel is appropriate today. If you liked the lesson and you were engaged, like you stayed energized, you enjoyed it, place it in the engaged box. If you were unengaged, you didn't like the lesson, or you didn't really learn that much, please place it in the engaged box. If you have a question, please raise your hand. You should not be up. You will put it in there when you leave. Okay, my first 2 rows, so long as you're ready, if you want to make sure your name's on it, place it in the box. My middle 2 rows, let's go please. First 2 rows, quickly. Mr. Jones, get that paper right there, please. And my final 2 rows, let's go.